Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn Notion pages into image blocks using the gallery view. This is a fantastic way to create a visually appealing collection of images that's easy to browse and organize, perfect for mood boards, project portfolios, or resource libraries. First, open Notion and select your desired workspace from the left sidebar. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add your gallery or create a new page if you're starting fresh. This is where your visual gallery will live, so choose a location that makes sense for your workflow. Now here's where the magic starts. Type a / and from the block menu that appears, select Gallery View. This creates a gallery structure that will display your pages as individual cards. Think of it as setting up the foundation for your image collection. Next, click the New Page button within the gallery to create your first card. This generates a new page that will eventually become one of your image blocks. Once the page opens, hover over the top section and you'll see an option to add cover. Click this and Notion will automatically select a random image as your cover. To customize the image, hover over the top right corner of the cover and click Change Cover. This opens up several options for personalizing your image. You can upload your own files, browse Notion's featured images, or even search Unsplash for high-quality photos that fit your vision. Take a moment to name your page something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Repeat this process to add more pages to your gallery. Each new page you create becomes another image card, building out your visual collection step by step. Once you've added several image pages, return to the gallery view and look for the toggle button at the top right, which opens your settings. Click on Layout, then select Card Preview. From here, set the preview to Page Cover. This ensures that the images you added as covers will be prominently displayed on each gallery card. To make your images really stand out, adjust the card size setting to large. This gives your gallery a bold visual impact and makes it much easier to browse through your collection at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed individual Notion pages into a stunning gallery of image blocks. This setup is incredibly versatile and perfect for anyone looking to organize visual content in a clean, accessible way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.